Meet Smith. Smith is a software engineer with over 5 years working experience in a multinational. But you see, as sweet as cool as Smith is looking right now, this is the exact reality of his job. He has to combine and test codes that allow computer applications and software programs to run. And my guess is this is what a whole lot of people run away from, right? Or rather, don't a lot of people don't really enjoy doing. I actually have some friends who find coding boring, while the other half quite enjoy it. Well, for me personally, I think people who enjoy problem solving thrive as programmers. So this video talks about some non-coding tech jobs that are high in demand. And believe it or not, after thorough research, and I mean real thorough research, I found out that some of these roles pay as much and much more than, pay as much and more than software engineers. Yes, please, highlight my English. I also compared this list against my results for most searched and non-tech jobs on LinkedIn and Indeed. Also, I would be talking about some minor certifications courses that can help you kickstart a career in non-tech jobs. So, shall I begin? Shall I begin? So number one on the list is UIUX Designer. Yeah, I'm sure a lot of you were expecting that on the list already. So a UI UX is actually a major deal, especially in this 21st century, that is imperative to any product success. The UI UX designer's job is to create a user-friendly interface that enables users to understand and use complex technical products. The UI UX designers need to learn the basics of website and app design, app development. They also need to master common UX design tools such as Photoshop, Sketch, Illustrator, Mockup, and know how to test a web design for a better UX. Now, the UI designers are concerned about how the application actually looks, talking about the color scheme, buttons, and the graphical elements, while the UX designers are concerned about the experience of the app. As a UI UX designer, it is your job to enable users to have a pleasant experience, so it's quite important you understand the psychology of users. Now, according to careerfoundry.com, the demand for UX designers is steadily increasing. LinkedIn even ranked UX design as one of the top 5 in demand skills as of 2020, while Glassdoor added it to their list of best 50 jobs to have in 2021. And CNN Money predicts that the demand for UX designers is to grow by 18% from 2015 to 2025. To begin on this journey, I would recommend that you start with the Google UX Design Certificate that requires no experience, or the Career Foundry UX Design Program. The second on the list are manual software testers. A manual software tester is someone who in all simplicity, to be honest, checks, double checks, and triple checks a software engineer's work. Their job is just to identify any bug or glitches. They are quite different from the automated software testers. That's because those ones write code or test scripts to automate test executions, then go ahead to use appropriate automation tools to develop the test scripts and validate the software. A recognized certification in this field is the Certified Association in Software Testing, or the CAST. Now, if you're getting value from this video, kindly hit the like button, and if you're new to this channel, you can simply subscribe and drop a comment. I mean, just test if your keypad is actually working. And remember, no one ever died from liking and subscribing. So number 3 on the list are project managers. Now I gotta give it to this role because it requires a whole lot of job. In my own words, I believe PMs actually see and mentally own the vision of the project, hereby making high impact decisions throughout the project. Now, the project managers also play the lead role in planning, executing, monitoring, controlling, and closing out projects with a defined start and defined finish time. They are mostly the most accountable for the entire project scope, resources, and projects. Now, why a lot of people mistake the project manager to a product manager? A product manager sets the goals and business strategy of a product, while a project manager leads all the many projects to make those goals a reality. That's really hard work. Especially now that cryptocurrency is breaking this 21st century with a plethora of token projects. PM are actually high in demand. In fact, the demand for project managers are quite high that according to the PMI website, and I quote, demand over the next 10 years for project managers is growing faster than demand for workers in other occupations. By 2027, employers will need nearly 88 million individuals in project management oriented roles. Wow, can you imagine that? So tell me guys, what do you actually think about that? So looking for a way to kickstart on this role, the certification here is the project management professional certification. That is actually the way to go. The next on the list is digital marketing. The term digital marketing was first used in the 1990s. The digital age took off when the coming of the internet and the development of the Web 1.1 platform. Now, there's every chance that you watching this video might have at some time, done this digital marketing before. Digital marketing, also called online marketing, is the promotion of brands to connect with potential customers using the internet and other forms. Digital marketing can be likened to the traditional marketing, which involves the magazine ads, the billboard, and direct mails. Only that digital marketing takes many forms, including the online video, the display ads, search engine marketing, paid social ads, and social media posts. As a digital marketer, you must understand the search engine optimization, analytics, social media marketing, email marketing, amongst others. The Google Digital Skills for Beginners is a good way to begin your journey for fundamentals of digital marketing. Yeah, and finally on the list today we have the business analysts. The BA literally bridge the gap between the business and the IT. The business analysts are experts in both business administration and information technology. Their primary responsibilities include liaising between IT and the executive branch, improving the quality of IT services, and analyzing business needs. There are also different categories on the business analysts, and I suggest you take a course on it to know the right category you might fit into. You can also look on Udemy for top free BA courses. So guys, that will be all for now. I hope you enjoyed that bit. Don't forget to hit the like button if you got any value from this. Cheers.